Today, we will talk about two little words that cause a lot of confusion, very and too.
They seem so similar, right? But they are very different. What's the difference?
Imagine this. You are waiting for the bus. The bus comes, but it is full of people. Do you say, the bus is very crowded? Or do you say, the bus is too crowded?
One is okay, one is a problem. So what is the difference? So let's start with the easy one, very. It makes the adjective stronger for sure.
But it doesn't mean there's a problem. Let's look at a few examples. The bus is very crowded, but I can still get on. See that? It's tough, but not impossible.
Or how about, this lesson is very helpful. Well, that's just a good thing.
The weather is very windy today, but I still can walk outside. My phone is very slow, but it still works.
Very means strong, but it is okay. In every single one of these examples, the feeling is strong, but the result is okay.
So what happens when things are not okay? Well, that's where our other word, too, comes. We use too when there is a problem.
We use too when something is so strong that it actually creates a bad situation. It basically means there is more of something than we want, or more than we can handle.
And the examples really make this clear.
The bus is too crowded. I'll wait for the next one. The result? You can't get on. It's a problem.
The instructions are too confusing.
The result? You have no idea what to do.
And the wind is too strong to walk outside.
So you're stuck inside.
My phone is too slow to use this app.
See the pattern? Too always signals a bad result. Too means more than we want. Let's have side-by-side comparison. So over on the left, with very, you see the room is very noisy, but I can study. So the noise is there, but it's okay, I can manage. But then look on the right with too. The room is too noisy, I can't study. Now that same noise has become a real problem that stops me from doing what I need to do.
Let's try another one. On the left, this job is very tiring, but I like it. The tiredness is strong, but it's acceptable.
But look at the right side. This job is too tiring for me. Now the tiredness is more than I can handle, so it's a problem.
The special structure. To plus verb.
We often use to with a verb to explain why something is a problem. We never ever use very with a verb.
Rule to remember. Do not use very with a verb.
Now it is time for a little quiz. All right, first one. The soup is blank salty. I can't eat it. Now what's the big clue in that sentence? It's that part that says I can't eat it. The answer is too. Of course it is, because you can't eat it. The soup is too salty. Great job.
Okay, number 2. The lesson was blank helpful. Do you see a problem here? Is there any kind of negative result? Think about it for a sec.
And the answer is very. Right. Helpful is a positive word, and there's no problem anywhere in sight.
Remember this rule. Very, strong but okay. Too, strong and problem.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to Zahra English Academy.